I'm starting from zero. No money, no setup, no special skills. And my goal is simple. I want to make money online from scratch. This is day one. I've been trying for a long time, posting videos, watching tutorials, trying different things. But nothing really worked. No real income, no real progress. Just confusion and frustration. And maybe you feel the same right now. So today, I decided something different. No more overthinking, no waiting for the perfect moment. I'm starting from zero, and I'm going to document everything. No fake results, no fake screenshots. Just real effort and real progress. For day one, I'm keeping it simple. I'm going to use AI to try and make my first money online. I opened ChatGPT and asked for simple ways that a beginner can use to earn money. Nothing complicated, just something practical. I found a few ideas: writing captions, creating short scripts, basic content work. So I picked one. Script writing. I created a simple sample, not perfect, but good enough to start. Then I went to a freelancing platform and created my first gig. Honestly, it felt strange because I had no experience, no reviews, just hope. Wait, something unexpected happened. After posting, I waited, refreshing the page again and again, but nothing happened. No orders, no messages, and for a moment, I felt like giving up. But then I realized something. This is just day one. No one succeeds instantly, and if I quit now, nothing will ever change. So instead of quitting, I decided to improve. Tomorrow, I'll try again, but better, smarter, stronger. If you're watching this right now and you feel stuck, just remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. This is day one. Let's see where this journey goes. If you want to follow this journey, subscribe, because I'm not stopping here.